Okay everyone, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make charming nightstand. Okay, first of all we have to make a basic shape um, in the wall with a rectangle. You can set the any size or the size as proportional as nightstand. Okay, you can set this around 600 and 400 millimeter, and then you can um, make a 2-point arc to make a curve right here. Then you have to double click. Okay, and after that you can select this line, then you can offset it. Okay, you can offset inside around 100 millimeter, or maybe you can set the more, okay, for 70 millimeter only. Okay, and then you can delete some unnecessary line with just click this line, right click and erase, and click this line, right click and erase. So there's this plane has left over there, and then we have to push it to the front around 400 millimeter. You can see it, and we just make it group, and then we can just make the rectangle nightstand in here with a size maybe around 400 and 500 millimeter, and then we can push it to the front like this, and then we can offset it. We can just offset it around 20 millimeter only, and then we can just push it to the back around 550 millimeter. I'm sorry, we can just offset it around 350 millimeter, and just make it group. Okay, and after that we can make the drawer. Anyway, we can make the drawer by using this tool, and then we can just move to the front just a little bit front, and then we can make anyway we can make the line first right here, then we can just push it to the back. We can just push it to the back, and then just complete the object, and we can just move it to the front, and we have to make a thickness of this door handle, okay, maybe around 12 millimeter, and we can just adjust it also. I'm sorry. Then we have to offset this drawer around 15 millimeter, and then we can push it down around 140 millimeter only. Okay, that's all, and then we can just erase some unnecessary line right here, and just make it group, and then we can assign a material for it first, and then we can just move into the back again anyway, and then we can make it a component, and then just create it, and then select move, select control to duplicate it, and press position on the bottom of the nightstand. And after that we have to make support in this area. We can use this rectangle to make support, and we can just push it down anyway, then just make it group. Then we can just push it to the little bit left side anyway, and if you feel it more higher than before, you can select this object and move it to the up just a little bit, maybe around 70 millimeter, and then you can push it up to make the space over there, so it look more functional. Then you can make assign material with synthetic surface. You can use formica laminated light over there. Okay, you can assign the all over nightstand, and then we can set the different material on the support, and that's it. Okay, and after that you can make some simple lighting right over there. You can just make this just a simple lighting, just with a circle, and then you can position on the another space, and then you can use a circle. Then you can make cylinder for the lamp support, and then you can make it group, and then you have to drawing again. You have to draw circle again to make the cover of the lamp, and then you can set the smoothness of the circle by typing 100s and select enter, and then you can get the lamp anyway. Okay, then you can offset it just a little bit inside and just erase it, and then you have to push it down anyway. You have to push it down and then just make group, and then that's it. You can get the representative nightstand over there. Then you can set the color of the lamp, and then you can set the material of the support lamp on this area, and anyway you can set the dimension to make a more clear for working anyway. For example, just for a simple dimension anyway, to make easy to work it. Okay, just make a dimension over there. Okay, I think it's enough. It will be help you a lot to make charming nightstand anyway. Then wait for my next video. Thank you.